Hello there, you beautiful people, and welcome to this video where you'll get up and running with Python on your lovely Linux machine. Now, if you aren't running Linux, but are running Mac or Windows instead, then feel free to skip this video and head over to the installation video that's appropriate for you. But if you are running Linux, then I'm going to walk you through the installation process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have Python 3 fully installed and ready to go on your machine. Let's go! Now, on most modern distributions of Linux, such as Ubuntu, Mint, and Fedora, then Python is pretty much already installed on the computer by default. Such are the perks of an open source operating system, right? Now, just to check, open up a terminal window and type the following command: Python 3 -- version. If that returns text saying Python 3.5.2 or newer, then that's it. You're already done. Feel free to skip this video and just move on. You can type Python 3 to get Python to work in the command line here on out. But if it gives you some older value that's a bit earlier than 3.5.2, then just type sudo apt-get upgrade if you're on Ubuntu, or dnf upgrade if you're on a Debian-based distribution, and that should take care of the whole process. But if you get an error saying that Python 3 isn't installed or something like that, then we're going to need to install it. But it's pretty straightforward. Just stay in your terminal window and type in, if you're on Ubuntu for example, sudo apt-get install Python 3. But if you're on a Debian-based system, such as Fedora, then type sudo dnf install Python 3. And that should pretty much take care of it. And there you have it. If you can type Python 3 on your command prompt and not get an error, you're pretty much good to go. In the next lecture, we're going to jump right in and discover an incredibly important tool that comes with Python called idle. Many congratulations once again, and I'll see you in the next video.